You go to the store to buy superfoods to live longer, but you might be bringing home a ticking time bomb. We've been told that fruit is the ultimate health food. But for these 4 specific fruits, if you don't prepare them correctly, you aren't just eating vitamins. You are feeding your body a cocktail of chemicals that can lead to cancer, organ damage, and hormonal chaos over the long term. Here are the 4 fruits you must stop eating the wrong way immediately. 1. The strawberry, the chemical sponge. The strawberry is consistently ranked as the dirtiest fruit. Because it has no protective peel and a porous skin, it soaks up pesticides like a sponge. If you only use water, you are ingesting bifenthrin, a chemical linked to cancer and reproductive issues. You must soak these in a baking soda bath for 12 minutes to break the chemical bond. Ever notice that white, waxy film on grapes? Most people think it's just dust. It's actually a mix of yeast and, often, fungicides used to keep them from rotting. These fungicides are systemic, meaning they can mess with your gut health and liver over years of snacking. Don't just pull them off the vine and eat them. Wash them with a mix of salt and flour. The flour acts as a gentle scrub to pull those toxins off the skin. Peaches have soft, fuzzy skin that is designed by nature to hold on to things. In industrial farming, that fuzzy surface is a magnet for at least 50 different pesticide residues. Peaches are often treated with chemicals that are known neurotoxins, which can affect memory and brain health as you age. Never eat a peach without a deep soak, or better yet, peeling the skin if you didn't buy it organic. With cherries, the danger isn't just on the outside, it's on the inside. Many people accidentally bite into or swallow the pits. Cherry pits contain amygdalin, which your body turns into cyanide. While one pit won't kill you, a crushed pit releases a dose of poison that can cause permanent damage to your heart and brain if it happens repeatedly. Always pit your cherries before giving them to children or putting them in a blender. You don't have to stop eating these delicious fruits. You just have to stop being lazy with the prep. The long-term risk of cancer and disease comes from small doses every day. The golden rule: spend 15 minutes cleaning your fruit today or spend months in a hospital bed later. The choice is yours.